Hello everyone, welcome to tenorshare channel. Many of our viewers have been asking about how to back up their WhatsApp chats, especially when iCloud storage is running low or when their data is too large to back up properly. In this video, we'll walk you through 3 different methods for backing up your WhatsApp data, each with its own benefits. Whether you prefer the built-in iCloud method, want a more flexible solution like iCareFone transfer, or are looking for a full device backup with iTunes, we've got you covered. Let's dive into it. Method 1. Backing up WhatsApp with iCloud. If you're looking for a simple way to back up your WhatsApp data, iCloud is an easy option. To do this, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then tap on Chats and select Chat Backup. From here, you can choose to include videos in your backup by turning on the video option, and then simply tap Backup Now to save your WhatsApp data to iCloud. To restore the backup, you can reinstall WhatsApp or set it up on a new iPhone. Log in with the same iCloud ID and WhatsApp account, and follow the on-screen prompts to restore your chat history. However, there are some limitations with iCloud. If you're running out of storage space, or if the size of your backup exceeds the available iCloud storage, it may not back up correctly. Additionally, iCloud's automatic backup feature will overwrite previous backups, meaning you'll only be able to restore the most recent one. Method 2. Using iCareFone transfer to back up WhatsApp. If you're looking for an alternative to iCloud with more control over your backups, iCareFone transfer is an excellent solution. Unlike iCloud, iCareFone transfer allows you to back up your WhatsApp data to your computer, which means you're not limited by storage space. To use it, download and install iCareFone transfer on your computer. Connect your phone and computer using a USB cable. Open iCareFone transfer, select WhatsApp, and click on Backup. This method enables you to back up your chats and messages quickly and easily, without worrying about storage constraints or automatic overwriting of older backups. What makes iCareFone transfer even better is that it allows you to restore specific messages or even transfer your WhatsApp chats between devices. With this method, you can perform manual backups as often as you need and easily manage your WhatsApp data. Method 3. Using iTunes for a full device backup. For those who prefer a full backup of their iPhone, iTunes is another option. While iTunes allows you to back up your entire device, it does not create a separate backup for WhatsApp chats. Instead, WhatsApp data is included as part of the general iPhone backup. The limitation here is that you can't restore just your WhatsApp chats from an iTunes backup. You have to restore the entire device, which may not be ideal if you're only interested in recovering specific chats. If you only want to back up your WhatsApp data or want to restore your backup at any time, I highly recommend iCareFone transfer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.